The deepest postbox in the world is located in Susami Bay, a picturesque bay on the southern coast of Japan. It is a scuba diving mailbox that was installed in 1999 and is located at a depth of 10 meters, 33 feet, underwater. The idea to create an underwater postbox was proposed by a local postal worker, who thought it would be a unique way to promote the region's beautiful marine environment and attract tourists. The Japan Post Service, the government organization responsible for postal services in Japan, supported the idea and decided to install the postbox. The postbox itself is a bright red, cylindrical structure. Like you would expect from any postbox, it measures 1 meter, 3 feet, in height and weighs about 60 kilograms, 132 pounds. It is made of steel and is specially designed to withstand the pressure and corrosion of the saltwater environment. The postbox is securely anchored to the seabed with concrete blocks to ensure that it stays in place. To use the postbox, divers must purchase special waterproof postcards that are available from local dive shops or the nearby Susami post office. They can then write their message on the postcard and drop it into the postbox. The postcards are collected at least twice a week by a team of postal workers who scuba dive to the mailbox. The postcards are then processed and delivered to their intended recipients by regular mail service. The postbox has become a popular attraction for divers and tourists, who come from all over the world to experience the unique sensation of posting a letter underwater. It has also been recognized by the Guinness World Records as the deepest postbox in the world. If you're ever in the area, be sure to take a dive and send a postcard to someone special. Postal services in Japan have a long and storied history that dates back centuries. In ancient times, communications were primarily conducted through a network of messengers and runners who delivered messages across the country. During the Edo period, 1603 to 1868, the Tokugawa shogunate established a centralized system of communications that relied on a network of horseback riders known as yamabushi. This system was used to transport letters, official documents, and other materials across the country. In 1871, the modern postal system was established in Japan, based on the model of the Postal Service in the United States. The first post office was opened in Tokyo, and over the next several years, post offices were established throughout the country. In 1885, Japan joined the Universal Postal Union, which allowed for international mail to be sent and received. Today, Japan has one of the most advanced postal systems in the world. The Japan Post Service, which is the government organization responsible for postal services in Japan, delivers mail to over 127 million people across the country. The system is known for its efficiency, reliability, and attention to detail. Susami Bay is a unique and ecologically important area that is home to a wide variety of marine life. The bay is part of the Kii Peninsula, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a designated national park in Japan. The region is known for its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and diverse marine ecosystems. However, the region has also faced environmental challenges over the years. Pollution from industrial activities and urbanization has had a negative impact on the marine ecosystem, and overfishing has led to declines in fish populations. In recent years, efforts have been made to restore the health of the marine environment and promote sustainable fishing practices. The installation of the underwater postbox was part of a larger initiative to promote environmental conservation in the region. The hope was that the postbox would attract visitors to the area and raise awareness of the importance of preserving the marine ecosystem. Susami Bay is a small fishing village that is steeped in tradition and culture. The region has a rich history, and many of the customs and practices of the past are still observed today. For example, the annual Susami Grand Festival is a colorful event that features traditional music, dancing, and parades. The festival dates back over 300 years and is a celebration of the region's unique cultural heritage. Fishing is also an important part of the local culture, and the region is known for its seafood. The traditional method of fishing in the area is called armor, which involves free diving without scuba gear to catch fish and shellfish. The armor tradition dates back over 1,000 years and is still practiced by a small number of local fishermen and women. The region is also home to several important Shinto shrines, including the Susami Shrine, which is dedicated to the god of the sea. These shrines are an important part of the local culture and are visited by thousands of pilgrims each year. ONLYFACSS. We take you beyond the surface. If you like the video, let us know. If you have any thoughts, share them below. And don't forget to subscribe so you can always learn more fascinating facts about our wonderful world.